So now I'd like to spend a few minutes just talking about calculated columns. Calculated columns afford us the opportunity to perform calculations on the database values and have those come out in the result set. And that gives us tremendous power and flexibility and capabilities as we're writing our query. So suppose I want to do some basic product analysis, and what I'm going to do is look at my unit price. So if I just pull back a very basic query to start with, this is just going to pull me my product ID, name, and price. I'll go ahead and run this. And one of the things that I might be thinking about doing is, or I might be concerned that my prices are going to be going up by 10% in the next year. And so I might want to take my unit price now, apply an additional 10% to that price, and see that value listed as well. So the way that I can do that is I can drag a calculation block onto the canvas. So I can, by default, this is going to give us one calculated field. I can add more if I want to by clicking this button here, but let's just start with this. And so basically, this is going to give us an opportunity to come up with a calculated expression here. So I'm going to take my unit price, which is a.unit price, and I'm going to take that, put that here, and I'm going to multiply that by 1.1. And I'm going to call this my forecast price. So I'm going to double click that to include it in the result set. I'll look at my query columns to determine that they're coming back in the right order that I want, and I'll go ahead and I'll run this now. And I can see that I've got both my original unit price and my forecast price coming out. So basically what we have with our calculations, we can do all manner of mathematical and text-based operations here, string manipulation, address concatenation, or splitting, depending on your needs. And you can take advantage of all the database functions that your particular database has to offer. So you can apply all sorts of summaries and sorts to your calculated field, and those will take effect as well. So between calculations and filters, that's going to be a good probably 70 or 80% of what you actually do in your query. So that's basically an introduction to calculations, and we'll talk about some other things in some other videos.